Ako po si Seus. Ako po si Seng. Maglalaro po tayo rank game sa ML. Tara, Seng.
Ayan! Putang ina!
Ito si Seng po.
Patay na naman yung kill ko. Ano talaga? Puro yung
Yan,
iba.
guys.
Ano ba yan? Kasi naman may nag-game, hindi naman marunong mag-game.
Ito si Seng. Ba't bawal? Like me. Classic tayo. Ako ya brawl tayo, guys. Brawl tayo, brawl. Eh, di ba rin like me? Game, guys. Lalaro tayo, brawl. Yan, guys. Lalaro tayo, brawl. Eh, di ba rin like me? Sitting a step curry. Kobe and Mami Charity, like right yun. Ayun na, guys. Maglalaro po tayo ngayon, guys. Try natin magpa-MVP. Ay, Mia. Ayun ka na lang, Ruby. Ay, ito ka na lang, Sengo. Palit mo dyan. Ay, Hanabi, yung ganda. Yan, guys. Hanabi siya, guys. At si Sensen. Hi, guys. Uy, thank you. Sabi, thank you, Sensen Pogi. Dito, guys, oh. Dito, kaya na. Kay Bunso. Ito yung Bunso. Ano nakasulat? Bunso. Tapos, wala lang. 1, 2, 3 lang yun. 1, 2, 3. Ayan, guys. Game na, guys. Oopsie. Everybody look like me. Shooting is... Guys, kalala nyo si Andrex Story. Panoodin nyo yun, guys. Everybody look like me. Shooting is Steph Curry. Kobe and Mami Charity. Ayun na, guys. Yan, guys. Tanggalin muna natin to. Sabi ni Sil yun. Hey! Andrex Story. Yan, guys. Tara, laro. Ito si Seng, guys. Oh. Everybody look like me. Me. Shooting like Steph Curry. Kobe and Mami Charity. Like Ryzen Yowie. Everybody look like me. Shooting like Steph Curry. Kobe and Mami Charity. Like Ryzen Yowie. Ito si Seng, guys. Ayan, binabarin ko.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the back.
Grandmaster na po ako dito mag-epic. Siya ano pa lang, elite pa lang.
As twilight falls, the new moon draws near. First blood.
Everybody look like me. Yan, guys, konti na lang buhay ko,
The
guys.
forest is on my watch.
Yan, guys, try natin panalo. Panalo, guys, panalo. Yan, guys. Papatugtog tayo 100 story.
Until the new moon
Ulit
races
lang
us
natin.
again, my fight
Sino nagnonood dyan para makasali natin? Okay. Galing ni Seng. Ilan ba patay mo?
continually sheds her grace on every corner of the village.
Patay ko. Everybody like me. Shooting like Steph Curry. Sabi lang namin sa Everybody like me. Shooting like Steph Curry. Kobe and Mami Charity. like riding your way. Guys, anong rank nyo na dito? Comment nga kayo. Yan, try natin mag-ML. Ngayon lang pala ako mag-ML. Hindi po sa akin to.
The way of the bow. Flexing. Reserve.
Galing ko talaga. Double kill ako, guys. Sabi lang namin sa... Ayan, guys. Tinaman ko, ano. Push lang, push lang.
You can't run in my house.
Sakit. Yan, guys. No tayo dito. Agad sumagod. Hindi ka ba mag-amal? Nice one. Yan, guys. Game na.
My fight carries on.
Galing ko talaga, guys. First time. Tara, sugod. Hindi, kayan.
The way of the hunter. Modern. Protective and sincere.
Sabi yan galing! Guys, sino kaya ang MVP? Pang-ata o Mia? Ako yung Mia. Galingan natin. Ito kanta niya, guys.
I'm ready to re-enter the battle.
Yan, guys. Kanta niya yan. Kanta ko pala yan. Joke lang. Shooting na step Curry. Guys, game.
Watch your back.
Sakto bola ko. Step Curry. Yan, guys, kailangan natin mag-push-push lang. Galing na. Galing na. Panalo ka to. Panalo na. Galing ko talaga, guys.
In the sacred moonlight.
Galing. Tank lang kailangan dyan, tank. Like me. Shooting like Steph Kobe and namin salty like rising. Guys, ang ganda ng ganda nito, guys. Sino kaya MVP, guys? Tang ata o Mia? Yan, guys. Papa-MVP natin to. Hindi dapat, MVP yan.
Flames us again. My fight carries on.
Kailangan natin magaling. Galingan natin. Galingan natin. Galingan natin. Kailangan natin to. Kailangan natin. Kailangan natin. Patayin na. Sugod. 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 Galing ko mag-ila.
Double kill. Corazia, our last
Galing yung team. Tapusin mo na, team. Tapusin mo na. Nice one! Guys, panalo po kami. Sino kaya MVP, guys? Tignan natin.
victory.
Uy, ako! Guys, ako po MVP. Ako po MVP. Bye-bye. Bye-bye guys. Love you. Subscribe po kayo.